The idea of magic loop is to do half of a round at a time. And at the end of every half round, you're going to have yarn everywhere, needles everywhere, and the first thing you want to do is pull your cable so that you have your stitches close to the front of each needle, and set it so that your needles are pointed to the right, and your working yarn is coming off of the back needle. Now you want to put stitches on the front needle, pull the back needle, and knit onto the front needle. And that'll be the start of each half round. Now early on, when you're first starting your socks, this is going to be a little trickier because you don't have an obvious toe pointing down. The toe is kind of pointing at you, like so. So here, again, you're going to want to pull your cable so that you have stitches on both needles. So just a little easier to see what's going on that way. Point the knitted stitches towards you. You can see this is the inside of the sock. This is the outside of the sock. I'm going to be looking at the outside of the sock. Put your stitches on the top needle and pull the bottom needle. Your working yarn will be coming off of the bottom needle, and you're going to be knitting onto the top needle. There's a lot to get confused about in the very beginning because you have a lot of different pieces of yarn and you have needle flopping all over the place. But if you get yourself into the reset position every time with, again, your needles pointing to the right and your yarn coming off of the bottom needle, or later on, the back needle, you'll be good.